if you believe that God has authority over you and you recognize that, you acknowledge that, ano sabi ni Lord? Therefore, make disciples. Lahat tayo, may kanya-kanya tayong giftings, no? Pero meron tayong common na mission. For example, hindi lahat tayo gifted na kumanta sa harapan to lead worship. Hindi naman tayo lahat tinawag ng Diyos para mag-lead ng worship. But we are all called to make disciples. Tama? Hindi tayo lahat tinawag mag-usher. Pero lahat tayo tinawag to make disciples. Hindi lahat tayo may gift of generosity. Pero lahat tayo tinawag ng Diyos to make disciples. So, kumbaga, bagamat may iba-iba tayong mga giftings, pero meron tayong mandate na binigay ang Diyos. And that is to make disciples.